First line. National Birds Day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of birds in our ecosystem. Second line. It reminds us that birds play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Third line. This day encourages people to protect birds and their natural habitats. Fourth line. Birds help in pollination, seed dispersal, and controlling insects. Fifth line. Many bird species are endangered due to deforestation and pollution. Sixth line. National Birds Day inspires us to stop illegal bird trade and hunting. Seventh line. Schools and organizations organize awareness programs on this day. Eighth line. We are encouraged to provide food and water for birds, especially in summer. Ninth line. Protecting birds means protecting nature and biodiversity. 10th line. National Birds Day teaches us to live in harmony with nature.